Hello guys, my name is Alexander Stepanov. I'm gonna show you amazing tutorial. Now I'm removing the gel using fantastic barrel drill bit, which works with the gel like with the butter. I suggest my friends to order exactly this drill bit because it's very long lasting thing. I have applied about 100 infills using only this drill bit and it's still working without blending. It's sharp enough, so you can order it on shapeofnail.com and you will see that results will be fantastic. The flame drill bit helps me to prepare nails perfectly, and the client will never have liftings. After that, I'm using nippers for removing the dead skin. And also I like using the gel primer because it works like double-sided scotch tape and you don't need to prepare anything else. If you keep your sculpting mix gel in warm place, you can easily work with it, applying it with a thin layer. And this is very important when you don't need to sculpt mounting on your nails, because you will not have to shape your nails at all, shape them too much, and it's very easy when you need to infill gel nails quickly. If they are in good condition, you just need to put small amount of product, shape it not very much, and here we go, nails will be amazing. And you see me guys working with the barrel drill bit again. This is the amazing drill bit which I'm working with for in the beginning and in the end phases. I'm removing large amount of gel product with the barrel drill bit from the top and from underneath of the nail plate. And of course I will be using the cone drill bit for cleaning underneath too, to apply the fine cleaning. How to create the safe nail file. You just need to shape one to the other nail file. And here we go, it's easy to shape nails and you will never cut your client. cone drill bit, one of the perfect, and I think that this is the best drill bit for nail technicians, because we can safely remove the dirt and the gel from underneath of the nail plate. I'm using this one about 10 years or more, and you know, guys, the quality of this drill bit is stable, and I have tried Chinese analogs and they are absolutely different, and they just have very sharp corner to cut your client's skin, and they are not sharp, so it's not easy to work with it even on the first client. So I just used to throw out these drill bits and order my favorite Russian-made cone drill bits, which were made for dental workers. And this is the ball drill bit. I'm using it on the final phases of the manicure. You can see, guys, the skin is very dry because of the dust. And using this ball drill bit, we can easily work with the skin. Not on the first phases, because when you start working with a client, the skin is wet, and you can easily cut the skin using this drill bit. Only on the last phases you can use this drill bit. You can choose small sizes of drill bit to work with medium size cuticles. Amazing high pigmented black gel paint from the shapeofnail.com. You can order the same gel paint, and the thin brush number 30 or 00 they help me to create amazing geometric nail design, which will be adorable by any client. Extra gloss top coat helps me to finish this amazing nail design. time for revealing shots. What do you think about these nails? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye!